Hi everyone, welcome back to Norma's Beauty Corner. Hey, I hope you guys are doing well today. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this eyeshadow palette from Cara Beauty called Orange Pop. I'll show you guys the palette, I'll give you guys some swatches, I'll do a makeup look, and then give you my final thoughts. If that interests you, then stick around. Alright, so let's get started with this video. Alright, so this eyeshadow palette is actually part of a collection called High Times. The High Times collection consists of 3 eyeshadow palettes. One which is a green one called Girl Scout, and I did a review on that one. I'll place the video card up above. If you're curious, you can go see my first impressions on that one. You just click on it and it'll take you straight to the video. And it consists of this one, Orange Pop, which I'm doing the review on this video, and then consists of the Purple Haze, which in my opinion is sort of purple slash pink. So when I purchased this bundle, it was $39.99 on Cara Beauty's website. At that time, it was nice because you get all 3 palettes. I haven't seen the bundle up for sale anymore, but I do see them individually for $14.99 each palette, which is it's still pretty reasonable, I think. The shipping isn't so bad either. The shipping took about 5 business days to get. Considering the times we're in at COVID-19, it's not so bad. So yeah, 5 business days isn't so bad. So I'll give you guys an up close look at this palette. The palette mostly has like oranges, browns, and yellows, and of course it does have some glitters. I'll give you guys a close look of it. So you can see it's got the marijuana plant, but it does have some foils in there, I think, with some of these right here. And it's got the names on the back, which is pretty nice. And I'll give you guys an up close look. It does come with a mirror, as you can see right there. But look how pretty this eyeshadow palette is. And as you can see, there's mattes, there's shimmers, and glitters. Very, very pretty. But we'll see how it performs. So I'll give you guys some swatches and then go straight into the makeup look, and then I'll give you my final thoughts on the palette. Alright, so I am back with a completed look. Okay, so my thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. I really like this eyeshadow palette. And I'll tell you why. The eyeshadows are soft, fluffy, very pigmented, very easy to work with, very blendable. When you blend them, they blend in very nicely, and the color can be built up to the intensity of color that you want, which I really like that. I'm a type of person who likes a lot of color, and so I like that that ability to do that, where I don't have to struggle to really build up the color. This one, very pigmented, great palette. So yeah, I'll move in closer to give you guys the close-up look. The glitters on that eyeshadow palette are just amazing. They're stunning. I really like them. If you haven't stopped by to look at Cara Beauty's items, you should really take a good look at them. She sells a lot of nice stuff, good quality products. In my opinion, this isn't my first palette. I have several other palettes, including some of her glitter palettes. I'll actually put a card up there in case you're curious to the glitter palettes. You can look at one of the reviews I did for one of them. Also, if you like this highlighter, which I love, this is from Revolution Pro. I'll put the card up here as well so you can see the review I did on this highlighter. It's a beautiful highlighter. Yeah, so yeah, that concludes my review. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. I love doing beauty reviews like this. You know, giving you guys swatches, makeup looks, reviews on the product, and then click the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And then definitely give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. So this wraps up the video. Thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun doing this look, and I look forward to seeing you in a different video. Bye. Take care.